bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal and hope your day was great and turning into a better one. And today let me show you how to make a reflection of any object so that the image looks realistic. Simply, first step, make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Then select one of these layers and press Ctrl T to transform it. Now right click from your mouse and select Flip Vertical. Hold the shift key and drag like this and click OK and select this mask icon. After that, take your gradient tool, make sure the gradient selected is black to white and reverse is selected. Now like this, drag like this. Now set the opacity to around 50 to 60%. To make it more realistic, just take a new layer, select your brush tool and just tap 4 to 5 times. Hold the Alt key and adjust like this, a thin layer. And drag like this. And set this layer to behind the bottle. And guys, here we all done. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon